Guys, I have finally monetized and I'm so happy and grateful. Okay, so let me tell you guys backstory on how I started YouTube. Oh, I know most of you be saying, are you monetized without 5 subscribers? No, it's not actually this channel, but this my channel. I'm going to be putting it up here. Okay, I have 2 channels. Okay, I'm putting it up here. This my channel is also already monetized. Let me tell you guys how I started YouTube journey so that you won't get discouraged if your channel is not doing well or if you are finding it difficult monetizing your channel. Let me tell you backstory of how I started my YouTube journey. Okay, on the 3rd of November 2023, I transitioned into tech. Okay, I started a career in tech and I wanted to be updating my YouTube. I wanted to be showing online what I'm doing. Okay, so I started a YouTube on January. I made my first video on this channel, which I created this channel and I made my first video on this channel, which I have already deleted so because I went back, I watched that video, I was like, no, I put in all my efforts on that video, but I don't even know why I did it. I would have left that video so that I'll be using this as a reference. Okay, so I actually posted that my first video here. I was updating here, and then on a second thought, I know that I wanted to be making money online. So I said, okay, let me be trying as I'm doing my career, because I'm still learning data analytics. Okay, so as I'm doing this my course, let me also be making side hustle online. Let me start also be doing something that be fetching me small income online. Okay, so though I'm also making money from TikTok, but I said let me not just depend only on TikTok. Let me look for other side hustles that will pay me. That was how I also bettered this my second channel that already got monetized before this one. Can you imagine? Okay, so it's better this channel. I made my first post on the 27th of February on this channel. Okay, I made my first post there, and February that 27th of February, so we entered March. I posted the whole of March. Okay, I was just posting side hustles that I do that fetch me small incomes. That was what I was doing, but I got tired. I stopped posting in March. I didn't post again in April, May, June. I didn't post at all. So in July, that's my birthday. Okay, I I was like, I came to I joined YouTube. I joined YouTube live. Okay, I was seeing so many good positive results, so many people saying that they got monetized, all of that. Okay, I became interested in my YouTube again, and from that July I was posting back to back to back to back. And thank God for Vibe with Sonia. I joined her live stream. She's my friend from TikTok and also here on YouTube. So I joined her live stream. I followed all her teachings. Okay, I started going live. She said that live streaming can also help you increase your watch hours. So I started doing live streaming also as I was posting back to back, and I was also doing live streaming. So I was very consistent for 4 months from July, August, September, October, and 2nd of November. I got my 4,000 watch hour on the 2nd of November. Okay, I got my 4,000 watch hour, and it took YouTube 5 days to update it. Okay, on the 6th of November, they sent me an email which I didn't even see. I saw that email on the 7th of November, and I applied for my monetization on the 8th of November, which is on 24 hours after my application. I was approved. Okay, and I got this congratulatory email. You have been welcomed into YouTube partner program. Okay, I was so happy. I shouted, I sang, I was so happy. At least my efforts paid off. Okay, so I was so happy that this channel is monetized, and I also want to replicate what I did on this channel in this channel too. So if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Okay, if you're a new YouTuber, just comment on the comment section. Let's all vibe with each other and help ourselves to grow also. um if you're finding it difficult in growing your channel, getting your monetization and all that, I want to let you know, you just be consistent. Okay, put in all your work, be consistent, pray to God also, and before you know it, your channel will be monetized. Okay, watch this my video to this extent. I want to encourage you, don't give up. Okay, because you don't know when that your victory will come. You don't know when that your hit video will come. Okay, still keep posting every day. even if you are getting views or not getting views. Because if you go to that my channel, you will see 100 views, 80 views, you will see 1000 views. I think my highest video there is 12,000 views or 13,000 views. Okay, I can't remember. Okay, but I think it's 12,000 or 13,000. Well, I keep pushing. Okay, you don't know when that your viral video will come, so keep pushing, keep posting, don't give up. Okay, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification if you have not done that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.